Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We would love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at Swiss franc JPY. So I want you guys to pay attention to what to be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. So when you zoom it out, let's start with the weekly time frame. Let's start from this year 2020. This is the year of 2020. You see that Swiss franc JPY has been giving us a bullish move, right? Now this is the year of 2020, right here. Swiss franc JPY has literally been giving us that bullish move. The year of 2020, we got to a year of 2021, 2022, and currently we are at 2023. If you see something right now, market is literally behaving funny. Which first sits here, higher highs here, and here is the higher lows. This is the higher highs and this higher lows. This is the higher highs here and this higher lows. This is the higher highs here and this higher lows. This is the higher highs and what we can see here is an higher lows. Now with the way market is literally behaving here, it looks like market wants to give us a reversal movement right here. So we need a confirmation. You don't just jump in on a conclusion. Like you always say, trade what you see and not what you think, right? You would want to trade a confirmation. So it is this confirmation we are going to cover on the Patreon channel because we've been taking a couple of trade on Swiss franc JPY. If you have been following us consistently, we do take it on our Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested, you can join us because now we are currently offering a 40% discount. So instead of getting it at 20, you can now get it at 12 because there will be putting out some high probability trade setup. We would also be looking to take a trade on Swiss franc JPY. So all we just have to do is look for the setup. And also one thing you will get is that you will get a support. If you also trade other pairs, maybe any other JPY pairs, or you trade Swiss franc JPY, you will be given the needed support you want. If there's any question you want to ask, you can ask it, we answer it back to back. We can give you an opinion and suggestion. We would help you, and the support you need, we are going to give it to you in order to trade this pair successfully. So if you trade Swiss franc JPY or any other pairs, then join our Patreon channel. You will find the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. So what you just have to do is go to the comment section, see the link to the Patreon channel, follow us there, and you'll get access to those supports, trade setup, and every other things we'll be covering. So it is at this level we need to see what markets we do. Will this market go quiet to give us a new higher highs? If it will go ahead to give us a new higher highs, no problem. We will continue the bullish move to the upside. Now, if it will come and give us these lows, thereby taking this previous higher lows, if it will come and give us these lows, right, we would be able to spot it around this level here. This is where we are going to spot it, and we would be waiting for a confirmation. So between Monday, maybe maximum Tuesday, we should understand the confirmation should play out. So it is a good setup. Like I always say, you don't just go ahead and take the trade, you wait for some confirmation before you go ahead. So it is exactly what market is doing, because markets will push up and give us a new higher highs here. Market is very much so, it will look something like this. Highs here, pull back, highs here, pull back. This would look like market wants to give us a new higher highs, and we will be able to spot it by when market opens. Then we will take that trade. If in case market will go ahead and drop to take out these lows, we are very much likely to see it drop again to take out these lows and these lows. So like I said, we would love to cover more on this Swiss franc JPY on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, you'll find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. Join us there. We'll be waiting for you.